As an educator, have you ever felt that your classroom is a bit dull? Students seem bored or demotivated? Or do you notice that, please start this lesson games from your students? It's a teacher kind of intuition, right? Playing games is at the back of your mind, but you don't know where and how to start. Fret not, you have come to the right place. Hello everyone, I am Afifa and you are watching The Tutorial, a web series on tips and tricks for educators. Today's topic is how to play educational games in the classroom. This tutorial will help educators, yes you, on how to conduct a language game in a classroom. So buckle up and let's see the step-by-step guide on how to grab the students' attention so no one has to suffer in the classroom. Step 1. Planning. First and foremost, you need to identify what type of game do you want to play with the students. Do you want to test their vocabulary, teamwork, grammar, or do you just want to break the ice?
I have found a game. What is the name of the game?
Charades.
Charades. Okay, it's a very interesting game. I looked for this game on Apple Store and I downloaded the game. Okay, for you. Okay, for you. And I paid for this game. Okay, I paid about four ringgit.
You will also have to consider the students' proficiency, whether they are beginners, intermediate, or at a comfortable advanced level. Then, you can choose suitable games. If materials are needed, you should prepare in advance according to the number of students you have. I know it's a chore, but think about the students. They'll thank you for doing that, believe me. Step 2. Briefing. Before actually playing the game, you will need to give clear instructions. Repeat at least twice. It may take some time, but trust me, clear instructions means less misunderstanding. You'll also need to clarify whether it will be played as a whole class or in smaller groups.
And today we are going to play this game. This game is easy. How to play it? First, choose a category. Then, I have to guess the word. You have to describe the word. Give me clues, then I have to guess. Okay. And I have to guess as many words as possible before the time runs up.
When a new game is being introduced, it would be best if you can demonstrate first with yourself and other students for better understanding. Then you may start the game. Step 3. While playing. At this stage, if you are controlling the game, then assure that everyone is on board and actively participating. If it is a group task, you can walk around and prompt clues if necessary, but never give out the answer. Let students discover the answer by themselves. If a wrong answer is given, don't just ignore it or make an instant correction. Encourage self-correction or peer correction so everyone would feel that their opinion matters. To note, things may change along the process, so just keep calm and follow the flow. If things get out of hand, relax and take a deep breath. Take control of the classroom. You got this. Step 4. Debriefing. After the time is up, don't just bid farewell. You need to debrief the students. Give them a proper send-off. Ask them what they have learned from the game or if they had any problems.
Okay, what have we learned so far? Yes, we know some of the brands of food, delis and restaurants in the US.
We need to explore instead of eating nasi lemak.
We need to go out and explore more different type of restaurants, different type of food out there.
It will be best to ask for their suggestions on what can be made better. This will increase their motivation in a language class. Also, they'll know that you value their opinion and appreciate your effort in including them. Brownie points for you! Finally, you can reflect on the relevance of the game to their lesson or even to life in general.
Basically, language and culture, they are tied together. Okay, in order to learn another language, you also need to know the culture a little bit. Okay?
So, I hope you can try this out with your students. And remember, to teach is to touch lives forever. I am Afifa, and all the best.